It was my room for a while, and then I saw ghosts.
Yeah. Okay. Go, baby, go! Finale!
See, it would be cool, but like at night it's hella creepy.
Mm-hmm.
Especially.
Yeah! Look at that, fool!
It's like a spider. A lot more legs.
Wow!
Wait, are you videotaping?
Yes!
I have to pee.
Whoa, two different colors.
Jeez.
Oh! At least the fire truck sirens are going away, not coming towards us.
Yeah, maybe your dad had a heart attack when we did those poppers at him.
Who say that?
What?
So mean.
I'm just.
He walked back
No,
inside.
I didn't.
Eat dirt.
That was pretty funny though. He was like, "Hey, were you guys doing pop?"
I hope that doesn't explode my house.
Oh, pff, whatever. Whoa!
Sweetness.
Wonder how long I can videotape this.
Finale.
It's been going on for like a half an hour.